If you're on TikTok and you wanted to add your WhatsApp link to your bio so that people can contact you on WhatsApp from your TikTok profile, I'll show you exactly how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android and tap on Profile at the bottom right. Now, next to your name, you'll see the edit button. So I can tap on that, but you'll see there's no option to be able to add my WhatsApp profile link. So on here, I need to switch to a business account or have 1,000 followers. So tap the back arrow and tap on the 3 lines at the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. From here, let's switch to a business account. So tap on account midway down and then business verification. Now, TikTok recently changed this that you need to submit documents to verify that you are a business. And once you are a business, then you can have that WhatsApp link. So just hit get started and go through this process if you qualify. After you've done that, all you need to do is go back out of here, tap on edit next to your name, and next to basic info, you'll see a website or an option to add a website. On here, keep in mind you don't need a separate WhatsApp link because it's super easy to get. So all it is wa.me and then / again, wa.me / and then all you need to do is start typing in your number. So just enter in your number, whatever it may be, and then hit the save button. And just like that, you will have created your own WhatsApp link within your TikTok bio. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.